You're tired. You open your banking app and see almost nothing there. You scroll online and see everyone talking about making money online. But every method either needs money, skills, or years of experience. So you give up before you even start. But today, I'll show you a way that needs none of that. No money, no experience, no followers. Just you, ChatGPT, and one free website. This is how broke people are turning ideas into real digital income. I know how it feels when life keeps hitting you. Bills, rent, problems. You're working hard but never moving forward. The internet was supposed to be the easy way, but everything looks complicated. The truth is, making money online is simple, but people overcomplicate it. You just need one simple system that works. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. We're going to create a digital product, something that you make once and can sell forever. It could be an ebook, a guide, a checklist, or even a Notion template. You don't have to be an expert, because ChatGPT will do most of the work for you. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and tell it what you want to create. Example. Create a 10-page guide for beginners on how to save money fast in 2025. ChatGPT will write the full content for you, tips, examples, even titles. Then go to canva.com, it's free, and make it look beautiful. Use free templates for ebooks or guides and add your name as the creator. Boom, you've just made your first digital product. Now let's sell it without spending a cent. Go to gumroad.com or payhip.com. Both are 100% free platforms. Upload your digital product, set your price, like $5 to $15, and write a short description. These sites handle everything: payments, file delivery, even your product page. You don't need a website, you don't need followers, just your product and your link. Now we need people to see your product, but you don't need ads. Go to Reddit, Facebook groups, TikTok, or Pinterest. Find communities talking about your topic. For example, saving money or budget tips. Share value first. Post useful content or short tips using the info from your guide. Then add your link in your bio or post comments like, "If you want the full guide, it's free here." You'll start getting your first clicks and your first sales. The secret isn't luck, it's consistency. Make one digital product per week. Post them on free platforms. Keep sharing them on social media. Most people quit after 1 week. The few who keep going, those are the ones who finally escape being broke. You don't need money to start. You need discipline to keep going. You don't need a miracle. You just need your first $1 online. That moment changes everything. So stop scrolling, start building. And if you want me to show you exactly how to use free AI tools to design, promote, and sell your first digital product even faster, make sure you subscribe right now, because that's exactly what I'll show you in the next video. This is your chance to change your story. Let's make it happen.